Okay, so as I was saying, we'll be opening your Visual Studio Code. Ayan. This is your Visual Studio Code. So in order to integrate Node with this one, is pretend that this is not here, okay? So we're going to create our new folder. Just add a folder here. As pag inopen nyo to, may makikita kayong mag-a-add ng directory. So this one, you can have, no, not inside this one. Okay, so, hey, paano yun? Okay, I'll just remove this first muna. And hindi ko siya matanggal. So, meron dito na part na, like, you're going to add a folder, then, you will, I advise you that you will create your own directory in wherever folder that you wish to. So, sabihin natin na, gagawa tayo dito sa desktop, kunwari lang. Okay, so, sample. Okay. We'll be having that sample directory. As you can see, dito siya sa desktop. So, we'll be having add folder to the workspace. And then we will have our created one sa desktop kanina. This one. Okay, so you trust the authors. And andito na siya sa baba. Pero dapat hindi. Dapat nasa labas siya nito. Anyway, kapag gagawa ka for the first time, so mag-isa lang muna niya. And then when you have it here, just create our first program. You'll have .js pa rin as your file extension because sinabi ko nga before, like Node is still JS. We'll still be using JavaScript kaganapans, JavaScript syntaxes, JavaScript concepts for Node. We're just using Node as a platform, okay?
Beda kumatang.
Anyway,
Ay, sorry mo.
pabili ng ice, boy.
Sorry, ma'am. Di pala ako nag-mute.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's just have a few examples here. So, sige. During your IPT your first IPT, so you have document.write in order to write things in your JavaScript because you're actually using the browser in order to run it. Kasi nga, document.write is a DOM command which is magpapakita siya doon sa ating sa ating browser. So, for Node, we'll be using like yung tinay ko kanina, you have console.log. So, maybe we'll just use a hello world as a pambansang trial. And then if you're going to run this one, just go to the terminal and then we create a new terminal right here. And then we'll be using the kung saang folder tayo nagpaparun. So in order, see, you have your own terminal right here. The way that you have your terminal if you're going to use the CMD. Then if you place Node, see, lalabas din yung same concept. Same concept applies. Okay. So in order to run this one, you just type Node and then the name of the file. So hello.js. See, it printed out yung unang kaganapan here. So, we take some JavaScript concepts. So, in order to create variable, we have var. Then, let's say sum. Then, we try to do like 2 plus 3. Ganyan. lang. And then, we print sum. So, console.log. Then, sum. Ayan. So, wala mo na nangyayari. Then, we will just run this again. So, oh, di siya nag-print. I haven't saved it yet. Okay. Then, you can see here sa baba, you have hello world, which is this one, and then you have the sum right here. Okay, so we can also have like a var first name, then we can have like Rosel, and then we can have the other properties of console as well. Uh, first name dot length if you want to ask for the length. Ayan. So this is one, two, three, four, five. So if we're going to run this, uh, you should have hello world, the printing of the hello world. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and then length no first name, which is 5. Ayan. So you take the JavaScript concepts and apply this here. Basically, you can navigate Node already. Well, for the first parts of it muna, 'di ba? So let's try to have another. Wait lang, bakit 'yan? Okay, let's try to get some snippets from your activities during your IPT. Sorry. Okay, so let's have var, what's this? Var A is equal to 10, and then var B is equal to 5. Ang babaw ng hayop. Okay, so A plus equals B. That's an increment formula. And then we're going to print the value of A. So console.log is equal to printing the value of A. Then going to also have the concatenation right here, and going to save, and then we're going to run it again. Ayan. So, hindi ako naglagay ng space. So, 15 siya, be. Ayan. Buaks. Anyway. Ayan. So, printing the value of 8 is equal to 15. Since 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Oh. Okay, next is we have, let's try another one. Dash equal. Anyway, gets nyo na yan. Let's try to have another. Getting the remainder a variable with, okay, so. Let's try also string concatenation. I'm just getting some snippets from your activities last sem. Okay, let's have 3 keywords. Then we're going to concat them. Var text1 is equal to world. Then var text2. Guys, if you have questions, feel free to interrupt me at any time that you wish. Sorry naman akong Sorry. Var text3 is equal to verb. Ayan. And then we're going to concat them. If we're going to input them in one text, so we have var text4. So text1 plus text2 plus text3. Okay, so the output for this one is going to print it first. So var console.log is equal to text4. Okay. So we're going to save and then run it again. As you can see here, it's already concatenated in this one. So as you have remembered when when we are discussing JS that when you have var, you don't have to necessarily include if it is integer, if it is double, string, or what, because automatically it will be determined by JS if anong klaseng data type yung ginamit mo for your variable. Okay, let's have another. Uh, Saan ba? Okay, let's have this comparison operators. Uh, so we have var a is equal to 5, and then var we have r, then r is equal to a is equal to 5, sorry, is either true or false. Ayan. Okay, lalala. If a is equal to 5, then the condition is a is equal to 5, the result is, okay, let's try to print, parang walang logic to. Anyway, R, kung anong lalabas. Okay, so lalabas is true. Kasi R is equal to 8 to 5. Okay. Anyway, ang haba naman nito. Okay, then let's have this last one. Uh, okay, for logical operators, var is equal to a is equal to 1. Var a, sorry. Var a is equal to 1. Then we have var b is equal to 5. And then we have var r. Okay. R is equal to a is equal to 1. So this is the boolean part. Okay. A is equal to true or a is equal to false. Okay. So copy paste ko na ha. But I'm gonna change this to, we're going to remove the BR kasi wala naman tayo sa HTML. Since we are just dealing with the console, let's going to edit this in a bit. Sorry. Okay, next is be true. Oh no. No, yeah, okay. So, okay, let's see. Oh, there's my document writer. Sorry. Okay, so A is equal to true dito sa first part, and then this is false since R B is equal to 5. Tama naman ah. and b is equal to 5. So, hindi ito true. Okay. Okay, gets. Oh. B is equal to 5. This is true. Okay. So, true and true is true. Okay, gets. Gets nyo ba? Kung ano yung nangyayari? Anyway, I'm just demonstrating naman if if na lahat ng mga activities natin before sa parang I'm just demonstrating if all of our activities during the IPT can be integrated with JS, pero I'm not going to let you naman do it all over again. Maybe some snippets in order for you to familiarize with what JS can do, ganyan, eme. Tapos, what Node can do, and familiarize with the system as well. Okay. You have questions, guys? Uy. Okay, so let's try, wait lang. Same ba? Comments, ayan. Uh, so let's have like, okay. A very simple program muna. Like this one. Para kayo nagpo-programming one lang ulit. So, JS program to find the area of a triangle. So, let's have the variables first.
Ma'am,
Oh,
pwede po bang mag-user input dyan sa JavaScript?
actually, no. Kailangan mo kasi siyang i-connect sa isang browser.
Design?
In order to let it parang makapasok ng input. So, last time, di ba, you're using yung pop-up ng, ano na yan? Yung sa browsers, yung like magpa-pop up na screen, na a window rather, in order to let the users input, pangalan na to, input some things, uh, value sa isang variable, ganun. Pero dito sa Node, meron din siya, pero you have to let it be connected muna into a browser in order for you to do, which is yun yung susunod natin i-discuss if ever next meeting, pag naging familiar na tayo ulit sa workflow ng JS. Carrie? Ayun.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay, 6, and then Mercy. 7, 5, 6, 7. And yeah. So, length of 3 sides, 5, 6, 7. Tapos, ang formula nito is var area equal to A. Paano area? Oh my God. Wait lang ha. Area of a triangle formula. Base times height. Length of 3 sides naman to. With 3 sides. Sige. Oo na lang. Ah, mali. Area of a triangle, base and height. Okay. Ini pa yung problem.
Ang
Is,
try ko, ma'am.
ayoko. Ayoko mag-sign cosine dito. 5 and height is 7. Diba? Pag hindi mo alam i-solve, palitan mo yung problem. Basic. Let's have B. And then the formula is base times height. So A times B divided by 2. Divided by 2. Okay, so then console.log area. So let's be formally na. The area is, diba? Prog 1 na prog 1. Okay. Okay, so we have the area here and 17.5. So I will be bombarding you with some problems, with some meron ding mga ifs, ganon. Just for you to familiarize around JS, what does it do? Node, what does it do and stuff. So then we will dive deeper to this tomorrow. Carry ba yon? Oo na lang sabihin nyo. Okay? Okay guys, ayun lang naman. If you have other questions na hindi nyo pa sure kung may tanong na kayo ngayon but you have questions as you go through, feel free to chat lang dito sa ating channel. Okay? Okay, so I think yun lang. Yeah, yun lang. Pahintay lang yung ganap sa LMS. Okay? Okay. Sige, ganun. Okay guys, thank you so much for attending. Would really mean much. Bye-bye.
Bye, Ma'am.
Ano?